Do you dream of clear and glowing skin without spending on costly products? You're in the right place. At Healing Bite, we believe the best remedies come straight from nature, and they're right in your kitchen. Today, let me guide you through a gentle, natural skincare routine that truly works, both daily and weekly. Cleansing clears away dust, oil, and impurities that clog your pores. Here's a simple homemade cleanser. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 1 tablespoon of milk. Gently massage it onto your face in circular motion, then rinse with warm water. Honey fights bacteria, and milk exfoliates while deeply hydrating your skin. A perfect start for a natural glow. Toning refreshes your skin and restores its pH balance. Steep some green tea, let it cool, and mix it with equal parts of rose water. Pour it into a spray bottle and mist your face after cleansing. Green tea slows down aging with antioxidants, while rose water soothes and calms your skin. For soft, hydrated skin, make your own natural moisturizer. Blend 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Massage a small amount onto your face. Aloe vera cools and heals, while almond oil seals in moisture, keeping your skin plump and nourished. Once a week, give your skin a deeper refresh with gentle exfoliation. Mix 2 tablespoons of curd with 2 tablespoons of red sandalwood powder. Gently scrub for 2 to 3 minutes in circular motions, then rinse off with lukewarm water. This Ayurvedic blend removes dead skin cells and reveals fresh, radiant skin. Yogurt has natural acids to brighten, and red sandalwood is a time-tested beauty enhancer. But glowing skin isn't just about what you put on your face, it's about how you care for your whole self. Here are 5 simple habits for healthy, radiant skin. Drink enough water every day. Eat a colorful, balanced diet. Manage stress with calm routines. Sleep well, 7 to 8 hours every night. Move your body for at least 20 minutes daily. To truly glow, care for your skin from the inside and out. Incorporate these simple remedies and habits into your routine, and let your natural beauty shine through. This is Healing Bite, bringing you wellness, the natural way.